how to install VMware on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course go here on the desktop and then open your browser and then click the link on the description or in the comment section, and then once you click that, you will be redirected into this part. Now the next thing that we need to do is of course download the exe file right there. So just click download and then you will be redirected into this page. So all you have to do is to click download anyway, and then let's wait for it to finish. And then once it is done, all you have to do is to click open file right here, and then let's wait for this to finish. And then in this part, all you have to do is to click next, and then just scroll down right here, and then click I accept the terms in the license agreement, and then click next again, and then click next again. After that, I just click uncheck this one and then click next again, and then click next again, and then click next again, and then click install. And then once it is installed, that is basically it. That is how easy it is. You can now use it. So that is how to install VMware in Windows 11.